Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a 2020 Valentine's Day prep. Happy Valentine's. So I'm just showing you the ingredients I'm going to use for my Valentine's inspired platter, and I'm going to be making this with fresh fruits and some melted chocolate, and you'll see. So I'm just putting this on a platter, aka a cake tray, and I also melted some chocolate, and that's going to be my chocolate fondue. If you don't know what fondue is, but this is fondue. So I'm just arranging everything I'll dip into the melted chocolate. So I have nuts, I have marshmallows, I have strawberries, I have pineapple, which is my favorite thing in the world. I have some cookies I bought from ShopRite with little hearts on it because it's Valentine's. So yeah, I'm done. So we're gonna get into the eating later on. So watch till the end of this video. So I'm just going to show you how I install my new knotless braid wig, and I'm going to show you everything I do to it, and also how I prep my skin for special occasions. Mind you, I'm spending Valentine's with my sister, so it's not Valentine's for me this year, it's Galentine's. I can't even remember when last I had a romantic Valentine. Oh, I've never ever had a romantic Valentine. I know, right? So I'm just cutting the lace off the wig, and let me tell you guys, I made this wig myself, my freaking self. So I recorded it. If you want to see how I made a knotless braid wig, please drop me a comment or smash the like button so I can have it uploaded. Now I'm just using my got to be spray. You know what got to be is for? It's for holding your lace down, and I'm just blow drying it. And when I'm done, I tie with this silk rope or small scarf just so that it stays put. If you want me to do a detailed video on how I installed this wig, let me know. I'm also swooping my baby hairs because baby hairs makes it look more realistic. Like, people couldn't believe that this was not my scalp. As in, I'm so shook. Should I turn this into a business? I don't know. Who would buy my knotless braid wigs? Drop me a comment if you would buy a knotless braid wig. And yeah, that's it. Tell me this is not my scalp. Tell me. Yes. For skincare, I'm so embarrassed. I actually didn't do any hair removal for the purpose of this video. I saved up all my hair in my armpits, so just to show you guys. So you guys should make sure you like this video and tell your friends to subscribe. So the first thing I do is apply oil all over my body, okay, because this acts as a pre-moisturizer. So I use the Veet hair remover, and I use the sensitive one. It comes in the blue pack, and I just apply it to my armpit. And you're not supposed to leave it for more than 10 minutes, if not it will burn you. So to take my bath and rinse off all that hair remover, I use the Organics jasmine soap, and I also use the coffee latte body scrub, and I smell like heaven. I feel like a bouncing baby girl, soft and smooth. Yes. So to moisturize, I use my Aveeno oatmeal moisturizer, and this is amazing for this Harmattan. The Harmattan is too much in Lagos, so I just take my time and I moisturize and massage everywhere. So this product right here, everybody knows it. It's the Nixoderm, and I use this as like an aftershave because it just helps with any skin irritation or bumps. And yeah, that's my body care. So for my nails, I did this vlog style. I went to a new nail tech, and at first I was scared. I was like, I hope this lady will not do rubbish for me. But let me tell you, this lady slayed my nails, and can you believe she's literally down the road on my streets, literally 100 naira bike, and I'm at her spot. So she got my nails done. I got some nude nails with a hint of red for Valentine's. So how are you guys going to be spending your Valentine's? Drop me a comment on how you're going to be spending your Valentine's, or if you're seeing this after Valentine, how you spent it. Did you get any gifts? I'm not sure anybody's giving me any gift because but if I do get a gift, be sure to know you guys will see it on my channel. So I also did my feet. I got white on my feet, a gel coat, and this is a little trick I do. I always take a snack to the nail salon because I spend so much time there. So I poured myself a yummy glass of wine. I do like red wine, but I do prefer rosé. But I just poured it into a cup, and I'm gonna enjoy this with my Valentine platter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to do more cooking videos because I am really a chef. Okay, so hope you enjoy your Valentines. Please stay safe. Don't carry it on your head. It's not everybody that must receive gifts. It's just a day, a regular day for me. But look at this. So good. I was in heaven eating this. If I die, I die. Life is for the living. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I do love you. If I thought anybody doesn't tell you they love you, me, I love you.
Blem blem. Yeah. Blem blem.